It's crucial to portray them in the best light. Take crisp, well-lit pictures of your products, and then write in-depth descriptions that emphasize their features and advantages. To increase the visibility of your listings in search results, include descriptive keywords in the titles and descriptions. You may sell used goods on a variety of online marketplaces and platforms, including Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, eBay, and more. When creating listings, think about which platform is ideal for your particular items and target market. To sell your used goods locally, you can also host a garage sale or attend flea markets. By extending the lives of these objects, selling second-hand goods not only helps you earn some additional money but also encourages sustainability. You're eliminating waste and promoting a circular economy by giving them to new owners who can keep using and enjoying them. In conclusion, selling used stuff is a fantastic way to clear up your space, make a little more money, and encourage sustainability. You can boost your chances of success by giving your things a strong presentation and using precise keywords. Could you perhaps offer me some tips on how to appraise used goods? Putting an old item's value in perspective might be difficult, but there are a number of things you can take into account. Here are some suggestions for appraising used goods. Condition. An important element in determining an object's value is the condition of the item. Generally speaking, items in outstanding condition are valued more than those that have significant wear, damage, or missing components. Rarity. The item's rarity should also be taken into account. Stuff that are rare or difficult to find are typically worth more than everyday stuff. Age. The item's age can have an impact on its price. Some things, like antiques, can go up in value over time, while other things might go down in value as they get old. Brand. An item's brand can have a big role in determining how much it is worth. In general, items from well-known or expensive brands are worth more than those from less well-known companies. Market demand. The item's worth may also be impacted by the demand for it in the present market. An item's worth may rise if there is a great demand for it. You can speak with specialists in the subject, such as antique dealers, appraisers, or auction houses, to receive an accurate appraisal of your ancient stuff. To determine the market value of a certain item, you can also look up comparable goods that have recently been sold. You may also get an estimate of how much comparable products are selling for on online marketplaces like eBay or Etsy. It's crucial to keep in mind that the value of used items might be arbitrary and change depending on a number of circumstances. Therefore, before making any judgments regarding selling your used products, it is always a good idea to do your homework and speak with professionals. How can I ensure the safety and security of an online transaction? To prevent fraud or scams, it is crucial to ensure that an online sale is safe and secure. The following advice will help you make sure that your online sale is secure and safe. Utilize a trustworthy marketplace. Decide on a trustworthy online marketplace or platform to sell your goods. Popular websites like Amazon, eBay, and Etsy offer payment processing services that can assist assure secure transactions and have safeguards in place to protect both customers and sellers. Use secure payment systems. Just accept payments made through reputable, secure payment systems like PayPal, credit cards, or other online payment systems. Money orders and checks should not be accepted because they are easily forged. Use strong passwords. For your accounts, use strong, one-of-a-kind passwords that you change frequently. A password should never be used for multiple accounts. Keeping private information. If it's not required for delivery, don't provide customers access to your personal information like your address or phone number. Keep your computer updated with the latest antivirus software to guard against malware and hacking attempts. Before sending high-value products, think about insuring them to guard against loss or damage during transit. Be straightforward and succinct when communicating with customers, and give them thorough information on the product, shipping, and payment options. These pointers might help you make sure that your online purchase is safe and secure. Throughout the entire selling process, it's critical to exercise caution and vigilance, and to immediately report any suspicious or fraudulent conduct to the platform or the appropriate authorities. What words or phrases are particularly effective for selling used goods? Yes, there are specific words or phrases that can help sell used things. Here are a few instances. Vintage. The description vintage denotes that an object is from a certain era or historical period, which may make it more appealing to purchasers seeking out unusual or expensive products. Rare. If a product really is rare, utilizing this term can assist draw customers who are looking for unique or difficult to find items. Authentic. Using the word authentic might convince customers that a product is genuine and not a copy or phony. Using the phrase limited edition when referring to a product that is a part of a limited run or edition can serve to convey exclusivity and scarcity. Using the term one of a kind to describe an object can serve to emphasize its rarity and allure if it is actually unique. Mint condition. The use of this term implies that a product is in pristine, like new condition, which may appeal to purchasers. Using the phrase collectible can help draw in customers who are looking to expand their collections if an item is already part of a collection or has the potential to do so. Use these terms and expressions precisely and truthfully to avoid receiving unfavorable comments from customers and harming your reputation as a merchant. You may effectively sell your used products and draw in potential customers by utilizing precise and descriptive terminology. How can I be sure that the descriptions of my previous products are accurate? It's crucial to accurately describe your previous products in order to gain the trust of prospective customers and prevent any problems or disagreements in the future. Here are some guidelines to help you make sure that your previous items are accurately described. Be precise. Include data like the brand name, model number, and color in your product description, and try to be as exact as you can. Include any details, such as size, weight, or material, that the customer could find important. Avoid using ambiguous or deceptive phrases when describing your goods and instead use clear, simple language. Include high-quality images. To give customers a thorough understanding of what they are buying, include high-quality images of the goods taken from a variety of angles, as well as any defects or damages. Be upfront and truthful about any problems or damages to the product, such as scratches, dents, or missing pieces. Include measurements. If the item is clothing or furniture, be sure to include precise measurements so that customers can decide if it will fit in their home. Exaggerating the state or worth of the product should be avoided as this may result in unhappy customers and unfavorable reviews. Check customer reviews and feedback on comparable products to get a sense of what customers are searching for and any potential concerns they may have. You may make sure that your outdated products are accurately and truthfully described by using the advice in this article. For the purpose of fostering trust and establishing a solid reputation as a vendor, it's critical to be open and truthful with customers. Do you have any other recommendations for effectively marketing used goods? Yes, here are some more ideas for effectively marketing used goods. Select the appropriate audience, determine your target market, then adjust your marketing strategy to appeal to them. For instance, if you're selling antique apparel, concentrate your marketing efforts on collectors or fashion enthusiasts. A captivating product description should be written. Make your product description as intriguing and compelling as you can, emphasizing the special qualities and advantages of the item. Use high-quality pictures. Use pictures that display the product from multiple perspectives and in diverse environments. This can provide potential customers a better understanding of the item and its condition. Establish a reasonable and competitive price for your goods by researching comparable products. Avoid overcharging for your goods as this may turn away customers. Offer discounts and promotions. If you want to draw in more customers, think about providing discounts or promotions. Offer free shipping or a percentage off the purchase price, for instance. Deliver top-notch client service. Throughout the purchasing process, swiftly answer questions and deliver first-rate customer support. This can help establish trust with customers, entice them to give great reviews, and motivate them to make more purchases in the future. Make use of social media. Promote your products on social media sites like Facebook and Instagram to reach a wider audience. You may successfully sell your used goods and raise your chances of closing a deal by paying attention to these recommendations. Always put the wants and preferences of potential customers first when selling your products or services. What common mistakes must be avoided while selling second-hand goods? Selling used products can be difficult, and in order to have a successful sale, sellers need to avoid several typical blunders. Here are some common mistakes to avoid when marketing old products. Product misrepresentation. Exaggerating a product's characteristics or condition might leave customers dissatisfied and with bad feedback. Always be truthful and accurate when describing the merchandise, including any defects or imperfections. Overpricing a product might turn away potential customers and make it challenging to sell. To establish a reasonable and competitive price for your goods, look at comparable products. Not cleaning or repairing the product. Not cleaning or repairing the product can make it less enticing to purchasers. Before putting the item up for sale, spend some time cleaning and fixing it. Neglecting delivery charges might result in unanticipated costs for both the buyer and the seller. Give prospective customers realistic estimates and be transparent about delivery charges. Failure to interact with customers. Failing to communicate with customers might result in miscommunications and unfavorable reviews. Throughout the purchasing process, swiftly answer questions and deliver first-rate customer support. Using photographs of poor quality can make it harder for potential customers to understand the qualities and condition of the goods. Use crisp images that display the product from multiple perspectives and in varied environments. Platform policies should always be read carefully because failing to do so may result in infractions and account suspension. To prevent any problems, familiarize yourself with the platform's policies before using it to sell your products. You may improve your chances of making a successful sale and developing a positive reputation as a seller by staying away from these frequent mistakes. Always put the requirements and preferences of prospective customers first, and deliver top-notch customer care throughout the purchasing process.